Die. So that sounded a bit sort of imperative, didn't it? Die. That's not what I meant. I was just kind of like getting my act together. 3 meanings I've got here. It's to stop living. If you don't feed the guinea pig, it will die. I think we know that one. It's also the singular of a die. You know, when you've got dice, you go bloop. One is called a die. And I think that's where the phrase the die is cast comes from. Because once you've thrown the dice, there it is. But I've always thought the die is cast. It means once you've done it, you can't go back. The decisions have been made. That's it. The die is cast. So supposing your mum says, you're going to have to clean your room, and if it's not clean by 5 o'clock, you're not having any supper. You might then go and whinge to your dad. Say, it's not fair. And he said, well, sorry, son, the die is cast, meaning all those decisions put into place means that you either tied it or you don't get your supper. But a die is also a sort of mould. You can get dies that you roll on paper, and then you get this nice sort of holy pattern that comes out. Now, I always thought the die is cast meant either cast out the die, but normally people use dice, don't they? I thought it meant that the mould is already cast. So if you have got imagine you're making a train, and you make a pattern in the sand, but if you've sneakily put a picture of your face on it, that will come out because the die is cast. It has been made with that on it. So it's the inevitable follow through is the thing that is made will also have your face on it. Don't know. But anyway, happy with that? To stop living, a dice. A dice is a die, or a mould, a special sort of thing for making a pattern. Whoopie-doo.